Why we celebrate Guy Fawkes Night in the UK, Bonfire Night story explained. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is the 5th of November, a really special day in the UK. But do you know why people in the UK celebrate it every year with fireworks and bonfires? Let's find out. This story goes back over 100 years, to the year 1605. A group of men, led by Guy Fawkes, planned to blow up the Houses of Parliament in London. Their goal? To kill King James I and change the government. They hid barrels of gunpowder under the Parliament building, but before they could light the fuse, the plan was discovered. Guy Fawkes was caught, arrested, and the plot failed. After that, people across Britain celebrated the King's survival by lighting bonfires. Over time, it became a tradition, and every year on the 5th of November, the UK remembers